Let's talk about learning tech online. I'm Jen Ayotte, Assistant Vice President of Undergraduate Education. Our online courses feature project-based learning. When you're a technology student at Rasmussen University, you don't just answer multiple-choice questions, you complete projects that match what professionals in their fields do at their jobs. You're not on your own either. Our instructors have worked in the industry and bring their experiences into the classroom with engaging, live online sessions. You can ask questions about your coursework and gain insight from their professional expertise. Additionally, you have access to tutorials, a 24-hour support center, and tutoring assistance. Subjects like IT require hands-on work. You need to try things for yourself, and virtual labs let you do just that. These labs mirror real IT work and allow students to show what they know. And it's not just IT. We offer simulated environments, labs, and tools throughout our School of Technology programs, helping you prepare for success in your career. Learn more about our School of Technology at rasmussen.edu.